So yeah, when you're doing like strata properties or like contract properties, you don't actually have to like do it all on the same day. Like if you go there and they're like, oh, I've got this price to work with, you can just say to them, look, this property's bigger than that, and I can do it. I can make it look nice for you year round. Like this one, I make it look nice year round now. It looks bloody beautiful. But I couldn't do it in one day because it wasn't within their pricing. But the back is more than I usually quote. So I lose money when I do the back, but the front, I do it faster than the quote is. So I slowly get it back in the next time, you know what I mean? So if you can split them in half, if you're a sole trader and you're like, oh, that's just going to kill me for that day, you can say to them, look, I'll do it 1 month this one, 1 month that one. Your property's still going to look bloody beautiful, but it's going to be, you know, not all on once. Like your quote only handles 1 day of like that half, you know what I mean? So yeah, just know that you can ask, and they might say, nah, bugger off, but you can ask them stuff. You don't have to go, oh yeah, I've got to do that quote to how they've said it. You can just, you're the gardener, you know what you're doing, you know how you can handle a garden, and at the end of the day, you give them that information, you be nice about it, they're going to go, yeah, probably, because they're not going to get another gardener that's going to bloody do it for that price apart from a shit one, you know what I mean? So yeah, give it a crack.